Today we're walking through Washington Square Park in Greenwich Village, New York City. Entering Washington Square Park from the south side along West 4th Street, we step into a neighborhood gathering space. This is the side of the park that feels local and lived in, with recreation areas, shaded benches, and residents enjoying a warm summer day. As we move through the pathways, the park gradually opens into larger gathering spaces at the heart of Washington Square. Washington Square Park has long served as a community hub where recreation, culture, and everyday city life intersect. During the summer months, the park transforms into a gathering place for musicians, chess players, artists, and visitors from around the world.
How do you do it? All great ideas. Like high-speed rail, like it's like.
I just took a picture of that.
Street performances, live music, and spontaneous creativity gives the park its unique character.
Every chess master was once a beginner.
From street performers to sun-soaked crowds, Washington Square Park captures the spirit that makes New York unforgettable. In Washington Square Park, even a game can become a public performance.
What's the matter with you over there? You're not paying attention. Okay, pay attention. My gosh. People don't pay attention. I'm giving beautiful lesson in cheese here. Okay, now, chess makes man wiser and clear-sighted.
Chess makes man wiser and clear-sighted.
Okay, very good over there. Okay, now, chess is the gymnasium of the mind.
Chess
is the gymnasium of the mind.
Okay, so we go blue. 1, 3, 1, 2, 1. Aha! I caught you! You were participating! Very good! Very good! Now, on the other hand, you could move the king's pawn to e4. Slide your bishop to c4. Move your queen to hf. Then move queen to capture pawn in f7. And that, my friends, is checkmate. Okay, now let's see what you got. Let's see.
Oh, well, hi. How you doing? Nice to see you. Oh, yeah, well, thank you.
Okay, rest now.
I appreciate you.
Oh, the 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm tired. Okay, let's see what you got. What happened to the whoop-woos and the wee-wees and all that? The band just finished playing the overture, and overture 1. Okay? Okay. I don't know what to tell. The other guy misses cues out there. Nothing. Okay, you're fine. Okay, now. What you got here is brawl on floor. Somebody missing.
Ooh.
I take that back. What you got here is stalemate.
We know it's a stalemate. Is there any way out of it?
What you got is a stalemate. How can you get out of stalemate? Now let me think. Okay, we put on our thinking caps. Guy in red hat. Think with me. Okay, good. I got it because of guy in red hat. Thank you, guy in red hat. Okay. My thought is this. Start a new game. There you go.
The whole neighborhood was screaming for her release. Why are you here?
We got orders for them to stay with us.
But why are you here?
Up ahead, the park reveals its central gathering space, a place where locals and visitors share the same summer afternoon.
Vegetarians! Vegetarians!
Okay. Go in and get bread. Oh, I don't know. I mean, am I on the wrong part? All the way from Washington Square Park, all the way up to the
If you're enjoying this walk through Washington Square Park, and want more New York City tours, feel free to subscribe.
That shit is not looking at it. My lady.
Whether entering from a quiet neighborhood corner or a busy avenue, Washington Square Park reflects the rhythm of New York City life. Thank you for walking through Washington Square Park with me today. If you enjoy experiencing New York City through real moments like these, consider subscribing and joining future walks across the city.